In 2025, your Snapchat data isn't as private as you think. Today, I'm revealing the 7 free tools that security researchers and ethical hackers use to gather intelligence from Snapchat. This video is purely for educational purposes to help you understand cybersecurity threats and protect yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bitewise Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for regular updates. First, let's quickly cover what OSINT means. Open source intelligence refers to collecting and analyzing publicly available information to gather insights about individuals, organizations, or systems. In the context of Snapchat, this means using legitimate tools to find information that users have made publicly accessible. Our first tool isn't actually a third-party application, it's Snapchat's own Snap Map. Many users don't realize how much location data they're sharing. Security researchers use systematic Snap Map analysis to track movement patterns, identify frequently visited locations, correlate timestamps with activities, map social connections through location clustering. Key takeaway: always review your Snap Map privacy settings. You can set it to ghost mode or limit who can see your location. Tools like Sherlock, Maygrade, and What's My Name allow researchers to find connected accounts across platforms using usernames from Snapchat. Here's how it works. Extract username from Snapchat profile. Run it through username enumeration tools. Discover linked Instagram, Twitter, TikTok accounts. Build a comprehensive digital profile. This demonstrates why using unique usernames across platforms is crucial for privacy. When users save and share Snapchat content to other platforms, metadata can be preserved. Tools like EXIF tool and Jeffrey's image, metadata viewer can extract GPS coordinates from saved snaps, device information, timestamp data, camera settings. Privacy tip: always strip metadata before sharing images online, and be cautious about saving snaps that might contain location data. Reverse image search tools have become incredibly sophisticated. TinEye, Google Images, and Yandex can help researchers find where Snapchat profile picture appear elsewhere online, identify real names behind pseudonymous accounts, locate other social media profiles, track image usage across the web. This highlights why using unique profile pictures for different platforms matters for privacy. Tools like Holahi, phonebook.cz, and various people search engines can cross-reference contact information, find emails associated with phone, numbers used for Snapchat, discover additional social media accounts, locate public records and data breaches, build comprehensive contact databases. Security reminder: consider using separate contact information for social media accounts and regularly check if your data has been compromised in breaches. Advanced OSINT practitioners use tools like Maltego, Gephi, or custom Python scripts to map social connections, analyze friend networks and mutual connections, identify relationship patterns, map communication networks, predict likely associations. This demonstrates how seemingly innocent friend lists can reveal extensive personal networks. Our final tool focuses on historical data. The Wayback Machine and similar archival tools can recover deleted social media posts that were cached, historical profile information, past usernames and bio information, timeline of account changes. Important lesson: once something is online, it can potentially be archived forever. Think carefully about what you share. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.